Okay, we've taken our 4-inch belt sander and we sanded this all down and got a general shape to it because we want to get it to fit inside this body here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our shaping tool to further round it down. Then we'll do our sanding, and then we'll do our palm sander to finish it off. So you can see down here, we no longer can see our white line, or our line that we made in here. That's why you put a punch in the middle so we would not lose our center. So we're going to put the back of the head back on, and we had to trim a piece of this off so it would fit back here. Now once you do the neck piece, and you have to trim that to get it to fit. So now this will slide in where it goes, and we'll screw this back in while we're doing our shaping and sanding and everything. So we got the mouth. The mouth's going to fit in here. So we need to round, we have to round this part down in here. Plus then we're going to shape this and shave it down to get it more rounded so it'll be a little bit smaller and fit inside that. You can see how we're rounding this down here compared to how this looks over here. So we're going to finish rounding this down, get this round down here, and then we'll switch to our sander and then our palm sander. So we're going to keep working on this, and then we'll be back later. Thanks for watching.